turn your knob into carrier from ident. Turn your RF level to 0. Then turn your RF off. Then turn your power off. Remove the quotient card from the transmitter. Here we have 320 kilohertz set. To change to 410, you take your adjustment tool. The first switch, you would change to 4, second switch to 10, and then your third switch to 0. That'll give you 410 kilohertz. Once your frequency is changed on your quotient card, you reinstall the card to the transmitter. Turn your transmitter back on. Put your monitor in disable. Turn your RF on. Adjust your RF level to give you 100% power. Put your transmitter back in ident and verify that your coupler is calibrated for your frequency. Normal operation, mode to carrier, output power, push 0, enter, press frequency, change your frequency to your desired output, 410 kilohertz, and then enter. Put output power to your desired output. And put your transmitter back into ident.